Hi guys, in this video I will be talking about how you can change the bank where Etsy pays you. So first of all, you will need to go to your shop manager. Here I am in the settings, but where you will need to go is here in the finances. Press finances and payment settings. This will open up and here you can see payment methods and the deposit schedule. I have set it up that it pays once per month, and here is bank details. You can see the name of the account you will be paid and then the account ending in the last digits of your bank account, and simply press edit. Here you will type the account number. If you press next, you will also type the name. Please keep in mind that here, if you make changes to your bank account, funds from your sales will be unavailable for deposit for 5 business days. And also, I believe that it has to be verified, the bank account. So when you make the change, Etsy will deposit a small amount, I believe up to 10 cents, and then you will have to verify by going back to Etsy and then telling how much, which amount was actually deposited in your bank account, and if the numbers match, then the account will be verified. So I hope that this quick tutorial is useful. Please remember to smash that like button for YouTube algorithm, and see you guys in the next tutorial.